Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with ConvertKit for creator newsletter workflows, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the ConvertKit website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, locate the Forms tab in the top navigation menu. Click on Create Form to begin setting up your newsletter subscription form. Choose the type of form you want, either inline, modal, or slide-in. Customize the form by clicking on various elements like text, colors, and images. Make sure to add a compelling headline that grabs attention. You can also include additional fields based on your audience's needs. After customizing the form, click on Settings to configure your form preferences. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Notifications tab. Personalize the confirmation email to ensure it reflects your brand voice. Next, head to the Incentive tab if you plan to offer a lead magnet. Upload your lead magnet file and set it up for delivery after subscription. Return to the Publish tab to get the sharing link. If you want to embed the form on your website, copy the provided HTML code. Now, go to your website and paste the code where you want the form to appear. Click on New Automation and choose Add Trigger. Select Joins a Form and pick the form you just created. Customize this welcome email to introduce yourself and your content. Consider adding a series of follow-up emails within the same automation. Finally, review your entire workflow to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once satisfied, save and activate your automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.